Hello, and welcome to Big Interview. Big Interview is a resource for you to help perfect your interviewing skills. To get started, please visit erau.biginterview.com. Note that Big Interview is compatible with Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. It is not compatible with Internet Explorer. There's also a mobile app available for you to use. However, you must register your account on the computer before using the app. So to get started, we would hit the register button and sign in with your Embry-Riddle email. Here we are on the main page of Big Interview. We'll start in the Learn section. There's 16 fast track videos to help you start learning about interviewing. So if we hit start or continue, it will bring you directly to that video. You see all the videos on the right-hand side, and if you scroll down, there's a transcript of the video. There's also a homework assignment associated with some videos as well. Back in the Learn section, there's also the Mastery Track videos where there's over 50 of these available. Next, we have interview playbooks. These are various playbooks that are some guides for people that may fall into some of these categories. They can help you really perfect those interviewing skills. Let's click on New Graduate. Again, it will pick up wherever you left off. There's also a transcript available, like in the other videos, and homework if applicable. If you do not have a resume or need some resume assistance, there's also 8 videos on helping you create a resume, as well as a resume component of Big Interview, which I'll be discussing later on. We also have some written curriculum. If you're more of a visual learner and need some more assistance learning about interviewing by reading, here are all these modules for you to read and learn more about. We also have negotiating curriculum videos. These are for those of you that are negotiating a salary and may need some assistance. And then finally, 90 days curriculum. The first 90 days on the job, there's 21 videos to help you be successful. Let's move over to the practice section. If we go to practice interviews, you'll see that there's different types of interview that you can try. General interviews, industry specific, competency, veteran, government, and admissions. If we go to general, again, you'll see all those categories over here, and then just some general questions that are available for you to practice. What's great about Big Interview is that you have the standard interviewer, a more challenging interviewer, and then a very tough interviewer. So as you continue in your interview journey of perfecting your interviewing skills, you can see how you rank based on these different types of interviewers. So let's start with Stacy. I've already started an interview, so I would like to continue, pick up where I left off, make sure my webcam is enabled if possible. And then you'll see these are the 10 questions that Stacy will be asking me. The question is at the top. You can press the play button to hear Stacy give that question. And there's also a tips button here as well. And here you can see some tips on how to answer this question. Over here, when your webcam is enabled, you will see yourself. When you hit record, it will count down 3, 2, 1, and you can record your answer. You can then press stop when completed and either save your answer or re-record and go to the next question. Also in our practice section, there's interview roulette. This will give you 20 random interview questions that you will not know what is coming. And so if you are a more experienced interviewer and would like to challenge yourself, this is a great way for you to practice. We also have the answer builder. And the answer builder helps you build answers to behavioral type questions by using the STAR method. STAR stands for situation, task, approach or action, and then results or outcome. So again, you can create whole story answers in this section to help you perfect those answers. And then finally, we have our question library. This is a great place that you can start working on some of those tougher questions. So for instance, if we go to general career change, and we do what inspired you to make a career change, it gives you those tips that are in each question that is asked part of the practice section. These are all the tips that are there. And so you can read it and then click practice this question, and it will bring you directly to that question that you can practice answering. The next section is My Videos. Here, after you record a video, it will be stored in this section as well. If you'd like to email and share your video with either your career services program manager, a faculty member, a family member, a friend, you would just do this by hitting the Share Now button. What's great is that the person you're sending your video to does not need to have a big interview account. They can give you feedback and send it back to you. The next section is the My Resume section. I would encourage you to visit Embry-Riddle's website, careerservices.erau.edu, to see some of our sample resumes. But if you'd like to build your resume in this system, go ahead. There's 9 videos to help you learn about resume building, and then a resume builder tool. Note though, once you are done filling out all your information and the system builds your resume, you only have it in PDF format, which means that you cannot change it. And then the final section, a big interview, is assignments. Program managers or faculty members could also create assignments or different videos as part of an assignment for you to answer different questions. They would email you a code, you would put it in here, and then answer that assignment, and it would go to them. I hope you've learned a little bit about Big Interview and that you continue working on your interview skills in order to score your dream job or internship. Have a great day.